Massive crypto scam alert. Another meme coin just crashed 99% overnight, wiping out millions. Who's behind it? And did investors just get rubbed again? I stay locked in because this one is wild. Y'all remember when Libra meme coin scam? Well, guess what? Its co-creator, Hayden Davis, is back with a new token, WOLF. It hit a crazy 42 million market cap, then boom, 99% gone overnight. And here's the shady part: 82% of the supply was controlled by one entity. Bubble Maps exposed it all. Their blockchain tracking revealed WOLF had the same insider trading practices as another scam token. Good. Was this another planned rug pull? You be the judge. Bitcoin shocker. Is it getting replaced? And just when you thought it couldn't get any crazier. Uber's early investor, Jason Kanalakis, just said Bitcoin is over. It's time for something better. But the Bitcoin community fired back. Bitcoin's OG were not having it. Swain's Bitcoin's co-founder clapped back. Winning protocols don't get replaced. They evolve. But could we see another BTC Layer 2 takeover soon? And finally, Telegram's founder, Pavel Durabo, just got the green light to dip out of France, and now he's setting up shop in Dubai, a city known for its crypto laws and zero extradition agreements. Could this Telegram be the next big crypto move? Crypto moves fast, and so should you. If this video saved you from getting rubbed, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss a crypto update.